No, I just restarted it.
Okay.
That's
So,
important too.
did you pause it?
It's serving.
It's still going.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe pause it and,
I already
start
did.
it again.
I
Okay.
already did.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on the edge, and I'm going to leave a little bit of that edge. Remember that we cut in 1/8 and the stitching was 1/4. I'm going to place the elastic in the same way. Okay. So I'm going to pin it. Now, I'm going to pull the elastic a little bit, but not the fabric. See that it creates that little gap in the middle? That's what I want it to be. And you're going to learn how much you need to pull as you do it. Okay? There's really no formula. I hold where the pin is, I pull the elastic, I grab more fabric, and I let it go. This is all about making it easier for you so you can control it better.
Do we pull the elastic?
The elastic is pulled, the fabric is not. So see how it's creating that little gaps? If I pull the elastic, this looks flat. See that? Anybody has done bathing suits here before? Yes? Okay. So you've seen the attachment of the on the overlock machine. Yeah, it's a big old concoction that it goes on top of a regular overlock machine. And those are attachments. There is thousands of different kinds of attachments for special operations. Let's say I'm gonna pick on you. You see Melena's neckline on her top, not on her sweater? That binding, that actually is an attachment. Okay, you use, that's a knit, so probably is cover stitch. But if it would be a flat fabric, a woven fabric, it is an attachment that you put it next to the teeth. It looks like a funnel. So you have a roll with your binding already cut on the bias. You put it through it, and what it does is it folds it. So as you sew, it does it all at once.
This right here.
Yes,
Can I see that in the,
you have it on yours too.
so, but what kind of thread would that be? Would that be woolly?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now when I'm sewing, I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna make a knot, obviously. I don't wanna, I wanna make sure that, and be careful because it will do that quite a bit because it's that woolly thread. It tends to have a mind of its own, like Walter. Okay, so when I sew it, I want to stretch it out. So don't put your pins too far away, maybe about every 2 inches. And you're gonna do just basting. Your stitch doesn't have to be too close to each other, maybe about 1/2 inch. And you keep, that's why I like a long needle because I can do a lot of things with a long needle and not doing little tiny stitches. Okay, so now when I pull it out, I'm gonna get the whole thread inside. You have to be careful because it tends to tangle very easily. Look, I'm putting my hand in between the loop to try to keep them straight. Okay? After is pulled up, Don't leave it tight like this. Go ahead and do this so the thread will get into it. Okay? Because otherwise, if you pull it, the thread is going to break. So it's going to look loopy like that. That's fine. But when you're going to go to the overlock machine, you're going to stretch it out enough where the fabric is flat and not the elastic. Okay?
Right.
That's it. So that would you do at the opening of your legs, on your waist. If you have a bikini, probably at the bottom, probably around the cups, right? It all depends on your design.
That's a lot of pasting.
Yes. I know you have an allergy. There is some Claritin.
I know.
Yeah, some Claritin against hand stitching needles. Okay, we're done?
Done.